I made a lot of videos about Open Media Vault, CasaOS, Unraid, but I never used TrueNAS to see if I can make my own home server with TrueNAS. And from what I was reading, TrueNAS is really complicated compared to the rest of them. So in today's video, I tried using TrueNAS, and I'm gonna tell you right now, this is not a tutorial. This is more like first time using TrueNAS, see if I can manage to do it. And yeah, it didn't go too well. So let's jump into the video. Okay, so now that we have TrueNAS installed, all we have to do is just go on the IP address. And here is the setup. So username, I can put whatever username I want. No, never mind. Password, I'm really curious to see if it's as hard as people say it is. Because most of the time, you know, it looks like TrueNAS is 10 times more, much harder than something like Unraid and stuff like this. So we're going to see. So we have here our dashboard, and I can tell you right now, looking at it, I actually like the new dashboard. I like it more than the one on TrueNAS. So this is our internet. So TrueNAS help, I don't want this. I can add applications, but I don't have any application. Okay, so you can make it like your own, like memory, CPU. So overview. Okay, which I believe this one already has it. I'm not gonna lie, I like it. Saved, CPU temperature. So I had this one, usage, and then from here. Okay, so when it comes to customization, I actually like TrueNAS. You have this interface that looks 10 times better, but let's see what we have here. So general, we have general settings. What's in general settings? Localization, Los Angeles, I'm not in Los Angeles, 949. Okay, so this is correct now. So technically speaking, the first thing that I want to do is create a user, so I can add, like, you know, I can create a share and stuff like this. Thing is that where do you create? There's no users here. Credentials, users, here we go. So I have root and TrueNAS, so I'm going to add. And this one is going to call it TrueNAS share. Wait, what? No. TrueNAS. You know what? Let's create something. Let's make it tower. And the password. And confirm password. Okay, so authentication key. Home directory, user executable, create home. Password login enable, I don't want SSH with it. SMB user, okay, comes by default. So I'm going to create. And okay, so now tower is already here. Okay, come on, it's not that hard. So not now. So storage, create a pool, and I'm going to name it TrueNAS. Next. Layout. Okay, let's go with stripe. I don't have too much space to create RAID and stuff like that, so this is just for purpose. Why I only have like, wait, what? I want to add more manual disk. Okay, so here I have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So can I like add all of them? Click add to add first VDEV. Alternatively, you can go back. So add. Wait, what? I don't understand what I'm doing here, TrueNAS. Filter by HDD. And I only see two sizes here. So if I this one, this are required to try this. Okay, never mind. You know what? Cancel. So how do I next? Wait, what? Reset steps. So cool. And now this one. At least one data VDEV is required. What's a data VDEV? See, it's already beating me. So normal VDEV type used for primary storage operations, EFS pool, always have at least one data VDEV. But I don't want to have a database. What's a database? I did something wrong. Okay. Create pool. Confirm. Yes. I don't even know what I'm doing here. I don't know what a VDev is, so I'm not gonna lie. What? Okay. A little bit more complicated than okay, so no redundancy. That's fine. But if I go to manage device, can I add more devices here? Because I think I can add them like this. So if I put TrueNAS and I add this one, and if I go to review, update pool, update yes, continue. Would that make it like TrueNAS? Yes, so usable storage 3.51. So cool. So now if I add another one and I add the last one here, what? At least one VDev is required. Well, I added here. What more do you want from me? Okay, so here is something that I didn't do correctly. I'm not gonna lie, it is. Oh, added to existing pool, TrueNAS, add disks. Oh my god, why do you have to be so complicated? Manual disk. What is your problem? So if I put 2, will this work? So estimated usage, TrueNAS detail. I don't even know what I'm doing. Like, I swear to god, I have no idea what I'm doing. Let's update it and let's see what's going on. If not, we're just going to, you know, cancel the entire thing. So 5 point, yes, we got it. Okay, so we have storage. Easy. Who said this is not? This is hard. So shares. So if I add a new share, path, what? TrueNAS. Okay. Permissions. And enable. Cancel. No. Yes. I don't want to go to root level. So maybe if I have to go to credentials, where was it? Here. Users. Click on me. Edit. And TrueNAS. Save. You know what? The specific path is point. Okay. So I can't do it? Great. Yes, don't do it. So how do I add a user here? Add database. Okay. Has to be something here. So permission cannot be modified on a root data. Okay. Role. Jesus. Okay, wait. So let's go to shares. You know what? Let's go to shares. And let's change the password on this one. Oh no, because I put a password on this one, so it's fine. So credentials, groups, tower, members. So here is where I can create different. Okay, but if I put credentials and users, has to be something here that it will let me be a SMB, because there has to be a way. This is what I'm saying. So yeah, when you first look at it, it doesn't make too much sense here. So what's a database? So database is, again, a new share will be created. Why a new share? Oh my god, what's with all the add a share? Okay, so the path will be TrueNAS, name TrueNAS share, create. Okay, click save, SMB is not currently running. Start the service now. Start. Okay, so we have a TrueNAS share here. So if I click edit here, I should be able to add the users who have access to it. Clearly not from here. So why do they have to make it so complicated? So now if I go to users and if I edit primary group, okay, direct permission, I should be here. And I should be able to click save. So I have permission to TrueNAS share. Okay, wait, we're going somewhere. We're getting somewhere, boys. So now if I connect and if I put tower and then my password, cool. So let's create Jellyfin. Okay, it is a little bit complicated, I'm not gonna lie, but movies and shows. Okay, so we managed to make a share. Right? It is very important. Will I be able to see the storage? Yeah, 5.84 terabytes. This is really good. Okay, now the first thing that we want to do, let's install an app for free Jellyfin. So we have here apps and discover apps. Okay, so let's put Jellyfin. What? What do you mean? Clearly it has Jellyfin. What? Okay, we just have to, okay. So set up pool to install. Wait, what? TrueNAS. Oh, okay, so where do you want to install? Oh, so you can create different pools. Oh, this is cool. So you can create different pools, one for your shares, one for your apps and stuff like this. This is amazing. I love this one. I actually like this one. It's a really good idea. You know, I'm curious. Will I have to, well, what? Using third-party application with TrueNAS extend its functionality beyond standards NAS use, which can introduce risk. Okay, confirm. Yeah. I thought I'm just clicking install and that's it. So port number 30013 and then storage Jellyfin config storage. Oh, I can choose how much. Oh, this is, wait, non-NVIDIA. Pass through available non-NVIDIA GPUs. Please select this option to pass through all non-NVIDIA GPUs. Why non-NVIDIA? I have NVIDIA. So Jellyfin configuration. Okay, network storage configuration. So it's this one. So the storage configuration. Wait, what? This is okay. Install. Okay, it's a little bit. So wait. How to enable energy? Okay, searching and install port trainer. Create a port trainer. Your port trainer. In port trainer, navigate to container. Click on the Jellyfin container at top. Scroll down to advanced container. Scroll to NVIDIA visible devices. Oh my god! So you need port trainer to do it? You can't simply do it from here? Why? Okay, well, deploying, so it's not fully installed yet. So deploying means that it didn't start, right? Oh no, it did start. Okay, so I'm going to call it TrueNAS. I'm going to put a super secure password. Not now. The libraries, put movies here. I don't have nothing there, but wait, what? And I don't have access to my share. But what the? Okay, clearly I did something wrong. So we will have to stop it and give it permissions to access my share. So, storage. I don't even know what I'm doing. Why can't modify? Additional storage. Oh, okay. Wait, what? did it not turn off properly, or what's the thing? So edit. Okay, come on, let's try to figure this out. So server, I don't want to, user in groups, cool, network, storage, but I can't edit this or this, the only thing. So do I have to uninstall it and install it again? Is this what you're telling me? Okay, so let's go to storage directly. So configure storage, configure the path to store jellyfin config, cool. The path to store jellyfin cage, cool. And to class code. So why, but what, because I shouldn't have to go here. So why do I have to, why, what? But I shouldn't be, because it doesn't make any sense. Because like this, so I have these two folders here, right? But the app data should be hidden from me, so it shouldn't be on this share unless I have to create multiple. I have to create multiple share, because when you install an application, it will ask you on which pool. Okay, so you should have one for your apps and one for your personal. Okay, still it doesn't make any sense. Then how do I give permission to my share? Oh my god. I think this is that kind of EOS that you do need Google and ChatGPT and whatever Perplexity you want to use and stuff like this. I mean, like, yeah, I'm not gonna lie, it's not that hard, but it's also not that easy. Deploying is starting to deploy at least. So I have the folder here, but it can't deploy, simply can't deploy. Why, what? I would assume this time will work. No. What am I doing wrong? Jesus. Okay, remove. Okay, so let's try again. Jellyfin install. How do I, you know what? Never mind. Okay, so identify or create the datasheet for Jellyfin. Go to storage datasheet, either create a new datasheet. Wait, what? So here I have to either like this, or I have to create. I am so confused. Do I have to create it, or can I? I have a feeling that this was failed so badly. Like I can feel it. My spider sense is going like, no. You know what's the sad part? I'm literally recording this video for like 35 minutes, and I don't even know how to do a jellyfin storage. Please work, running, perfect. So web UI. What do you want? Okay, this is one of those things when. Okay, so TrueNAS, super secure password. I'm pretty sure it won't work. It wants me to add permissions or something. Not music. I don't care about music. Nobody wants to listen to music. Movies, folder. Wait, what? Where's the folder? What is going on? So I have config, cage, TrueNAS, but I don't have the jelly. What? Okay, so wait, so yeah, so tower. So wait. So now when I disconnect, if I reconnect back to it, if I destroy my share, so tower, no, it did work. So I'm still having everything here. Okay, so now if I go back into apps, go back into Jellyfin, I don't know what's this, but okay, not now. What the I think I know. So if I go here to edit, right? If I go down, so here is TrueNAS share. So if I create a database here called Jellyfin files and TrueNAS slash jellyfin slash jellyfin. So what I want to see, it will take jellyfin files that I put here or jellyfin that I have here. So if I update it now, technically speaking, now it should work. Go baby. 8944 8944. So once I go here, I should be able to share. And I can see jellyfin, but I can't see movies. How about if I just do like this? So if I lose put jellyfin, let's try like this. So that would be the path and that would be like the final like what folder. Maybe it's like this. It would make sense. I really hope it is. Because I'm not gonna lie, but I'm starting to get angry. Please tell me it's gonna work. Libraries. So folder. Really, it doesn't make any sense. So storage, manage devices, I can only see the devices. Okay. This help, ACL type. Okay, so yeah, thank you very much for watching guys. I will come back in the near future with an updated video. I'm not gonna lie, the difference between TrueNAS and Unraid, it's ridiculous, amazingly, makes Unraid looks like it's super easy. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this one. I can say I didn't, and I will see you guys in the next one when I will make a video with something that I know how to use and I can teach you guys some good stuff, not this. But yeah, see you guys soon. Bye.